It began, as always, with the desire for power. The need to conquer, the hunger to consume. Inevitably, this led to conflict. Humanity fought an endless battle against itself, until it was forced to unite against a power far greater than it had ever known. But even united, humanity left only destruction in its wake. Despite their best efforts at survival, the humans of Sierra continued to march blindly to their imminent doom, unaware that their misguided attempts at retaliation were only leading them ever closer to extinction. They had thought us crippled by their weapons of mass destruction. But to survive is to endure and prosper, and we have most certainly survived. Jacinto now stands as the last bastion of humanity, a final, desperate defense in the face of impossible odds. In a way, I pity them. But humanity, as always, brought this war upon itself.
They're getting bolder. Those gears were guarding Pomeroy Depot.
Damn, that's just down the road.
Exactly. They're moving deeper every day.
At least we got reinforcements.
Yeah, but for how much longer?
Okay, I'm heading to the hospital now. I need to check on that lead.
Thanks, Anya. Good luck, all right?
Sergeant Phoenix! Are you Sergeant Phoenix? Delta Squad? I'm your new trainee.
And green as grass by the looks of it. Time to train the Rook?
With the attacks at Pomeroy? Hell no, they need me on patrol, not training some jumpy kid.
Of course. I'll see you inside.
Private Ben Carmine, sir! Reporting for duty, sir!
Welcome to Jacinto, Private. Your first order is to guard this spot. You stay here until we get back from patrol.
But sir, there's nothing here to guard.
Sounds like a good first assignment to me. Stay put. We'll be back, kid. Anya, you still here?
Still here, Marcus. Tell Dom I may have a lead on his wife, but it doesn't look...
Anya, what'd you find?
A lead on a Jane Doe, but it doesn't look like she... I'll fill you in later, Dom. I have to get back to control.
All right, Anya. Good luck.
Damn it! Kill these goddamn grubs.
Let's move. Ty, good to see you. What are we looking at?
Locust Raid. Follow me.
Locust got some serious sacks coming in here like this.
Doubt it has anything to do with courage. They just don't realize they've been sent on a suicide run.
Maybe they're just desperate.
What do you mean?
Maybe the light mass bomb hit them harder than we thought. Or maybe something else is going down in the hollow. I don't know.
Heads up, Delta. Some of these patients have rust lung. Okay, take position along these windows. I took the far side.
Okay, Delta, I'm back online. We have confirmed Locust presence in the hospital. I repeat, Locusts are in the hospital.
Yeah? Well, now we've got a power outage, too.
I'm on it. I'll keep you posted. Control out.
Hold fire till they're right below us. We want to get as many of them in the courtyard as we can.
Most of those supplies are actually fuel tanks, Delta. Part of the ambush.
Here they come. Get ready.
Control! Where's the power?
Almost there, Delta. Got it. Door should be open now.
Thanks, Control. Delta out.
What'd you say this guy's got?
Rust lung, emotion sickness. Cases have been popping up all over since the Light Pass bombing. It was a horrible way for a warrior to die.
Contagious?
They say it's not, but I'd keep my distance.
No argument here.
They're trying to fall back! Keep hitting them! Keep hitting them!
Anyone verify what I'm saying here? We have Locust inbound.
Roger that, 7-5. All three were inbound. This is Control. Scramble King Raven. All units on high alert.
Dom, Ty, take the other door. Hold your fire. There are gears and civilians in this building.
Roger that. Keep us posted.
Control, we have visuals on incoming Reavers.
Roger that, 7-5.
Reavers moving in from the north, approaching the hospital.
This is Control. Requesting reinforcements to the hospital. Sector 4 is under attack.
Roger, Control, PR-1A, moving in.
Request denied, Control. Sector 0-7, defending location. Clear.
Damn it! I can't get a target lock! I'm hit! I'm hit! Ah! Oh! Buddy, I've got that Reaver lined up!
Yeah! streets around the hospital now, Delta. Get ready. Take cover!
Delta's here.
They're falling back!
Control here, Delta. Locusts are outside of the hospital, taking position in the streets, requesting assistance.
Roger, Control. We're on it.
This is Centaur 2-3, establishing position outside of the hospital.
Drones! Good to go.
I'm on him! This Reaver ain't going anywhere!
Damn, Marcus, see that? Grub went face first in the salad.
Grubs! Upstairs! Flank 'em!
I'm out.
Frag out! Mine now.
that?
Ah, shit. Power's out again. Jack, open this door.
Enemy spotted.
Ooh, that's gotta hurt. Gotcha. I'm out. Behind the column.
Man, that was nasty.
I like the glow of locust blood in this light.
You got a sick mind, Ty.
The hell you doing here, Rook?
Area I was guarding got too hot, Sergeant. These gears rounded me up to fight, sir.
So why aren't you out there fighting?
Reloading, sir. I still don't have that trick down.
Better learn fast. Let's get out there, Delta. Grab some cover. We gotta dig in before we can get down there.
That's the car! Enemy reinforcements!
I'm out! Good to go. Rook, you're with us. Let's move.
Yes, sir, Sergeant.
This is Control, requesting more reinforcements to Sector 4.
At the car! Here comes some more!
Damn! Man, that was a nice car, too.
Let's head into that store, Delta, and get a drop on him from there. take those. At the truck! I'm out!
Who's next?
Never seen the Locust run like this. Running away won't help! I'll just shoot you in your asses!
You are pissed today.
Damn right. I missed my family. I'll kill every one of these bastards.
Nice work, Delta. And Rook, Carmine, you did good.
Well, thanks, Sergeant Phoenix.
Control, this is Delta. Enemy threat eliminated. Over.
Copy that, Delta.
Everything okay on your end?
Yeah, it was close, but I got out in time.
What'd you find?
Tell
me, Anya. Don't bullshit me.
The Jane Doe I mentioned, she fits the description, but... Well, looks like she was released a few days ago. We don't have any info after that.
There's gotta be another lead or something, right?
I'm sorry, Dom. That's it. I'm sorry.
Damn it! Not again! I've lost her again! Ah! God damn it!
Copy that, Anya. Delta out. Dom, you okay?
I'll catch up with you in a sec, Marcus. All right?
Yeah. Whatever you need. Guys, let's go.
Not again.
Humans are no strangers to war. After all, we've been fighting for as long as we can remember. War is all we know. In the past, we fought for emulsion. We fought for country. We fought for freedom. But all that changed after E-Day. For 15 years, we've been fighting for our very survival against inhuman, genocidal monsters. But it is a fight we cannot continue. Humanity faces extinction unless we end this war now.
So why land down, Sergeant? Why not just drill down here?
Jacinto's the one place it can't dig through, and land down's a perfect spot to hit them on their own turf.
Heard there's a shitload of grubs there, Sergeant.
More like 10 shitloads.
We had hoped the light mass bombing would decimate the Locust Horde. But they survived, and have returned stronger than ever. They've brought with them a force that can sink entire cities. Even Jacinto, our last beacon of hope through all these dark days, is now at risk. Soon we'll have nothing left to defend. And that means we have only one option. Attack. Gears, what I ask of you now is not an easy thing, but it is necessary. If we are to survive, if we are to live long enough to see the seasons pass, our children grow, and experience a time of peace that we have never known. We must now take this fight to the Locust. We will go to where they live and where they breed, and we will destroy them. This is the day we take the battle to the heart of the enemy. This is the day that we correct the course of human history. This is the day we ensure our survival as a species. Soldiers of the cog, my fellow gears, go forth and bring back the hope of humanity! Welcome to the big suck, Sergeant Phoenix. You ready to hit the road?
You know it.
Well, let's go chunk some bullets at them grubs. Oh yeah, name's Dizzy. My rig's a little sweet thing, Betty.
You a conscript?
I ain't got no choice once he took the lifeboat assistance. Family got the groceries, but Daddy got conscripted. Life's a bitch like that.
Delta Baird here. Apparently, I'm riding on Maryland. Yeah, see you, Lando.
It's go time, baby!
Good hunting, guys. Control, this is Delta. We're aboard Rig 314 and are heading out now.
Roger that, Delta. You're good to go.
All right, settle in, Delta. We've got a long ride to Lando.
Setting up the fire on far ridge. Over. Centaur 02, move into position on
too close.
Attention ground forces, the path towards land down is clear. We'll cover your back. 3-6 over.
Copy that, 3-6. Take a look-see down there, Gears. It's Eddie and the boys.
Dizzy, you lucky sumbitch. I thought them mortars was gonna take you out.
Not me, brother. I got a mission to ferry some gears at a Hell's Half-Acre.
You and me both.
Delta, Ty here. I'm on the rear guard rig below. See you in that down.
Roger that, Ty. We'll see you in a second. Hang on, boys! Hold on, honey. I'm coming. Get my back while I patch up Betty, will you? Delta, cover Dizzy.
E-hole!
Close it up and protect the rig. Her name's Betty. Here comes some more! Orders incoming! Get to the rig! Shit, what are you waiting for? Hold it on us, damn it! Thanks for the hand back there, Eddie.
You know it, Dizzy.
Control, we took... Got some cedars. Air should be clear. Orders over.
Copy that, 1-8. Great news. Rig Group 3 needs an assist. Over.
Roger, 1-8 on its way.
Whoa. Something big went down here.
Delta, control here. I'm detecting serious seismic activity beneath you.
Grapplers!
Dizzy, get us out of here! You ain't gonna tell me twice! is either coming back.
These gals gonna have a threesome on that bridge. Only room for one. Dizzy special, boys. Break 'em off.
Delta, take out the driver.
I'm gonna quickie, boys.
Yeah! Nice work, Delta. Control, land down's in sight.
Roger that. Determining launch coordinates now. Control out.
Bruback!
Multiple room up, south side of Landdown. We're not out of the woods yet.
Control, we're being overrun. We're sending evac all rigs directly to the city. Over.
All rigs, break off and
Let's get out of here!
Hang on, boys.
Don't slow down for anything, Dizzy! We gotta get through him, Delta!
Somebody get on the turret!
Shoot the guns off that son of a bitch!
Marcus, is that Ty?
Yeah, told you he was tough to kill. Let's get down there, Gears.
Fate has thrown us together again, huh, Marcus?
Looks that way. Welcome back to Delta, Ty. Sorry about your squad.
Everything happens for a reason.
What the hell happened to Lola?
My rig? We hit some mines. Tickers, I think. The whole area is infested.
Okay, Delta, head to the monument in the center of town. That's going to be your best place to drill.
Wilco Control.